Vice President of India. Constitutional position. The Vice President is the second highest constitutional office in India. Mentioned under Articles 63 to 70 of the Indian Constitution. Qualifications of the Vice President of India. As per Article 66(3) of the Indian Constitution, a candidate must 1. Citizenship. Must be a citizen of India. 2. Age. Must have completed 35 years of age. 3. Other qualifications. Must be qualified to be elected as a member of the Rajya Sabha. This means they must meet all eligibility criteria for Rajya Sabha membership. 4. No office of profit. Must not hold any office of profit under the Government of India, Government of any state, any local or other authority under government control. Additional information. A candidate needs 20 proposers and 20 seconders, all of whom must be members of Parliament (MPs). Also must deposit a security amount of 15,000 rupees, which may be forfeited if conditions are not met. Election of the Vice President of India. The election of the Vice President is governed by Article 66 of the Indian Constitution. Vice President Election Rules, 1974. Representation of the People Act, 1951. Electoral College for Vice President. The Vice President is elected by an electoral college consisting of members of both houses of Parliament, Lok Sabha plus Rajya Sabha. State legislative assemblies are not involved. Nominated members of both houses are eligible to vote. This is different from the President's election, where nominated members cannot vote. Voting system used. Proportional representation by means of single transferable vote (STV). Voting is done by secret ballot. Steps in the election process. 1. Notification by Election Commission. Issued 60 days before term ends or vacancy occurs. Duties of the Vice President of India. The Vice President holds a dual role in the Indian political system. Ex officio Chairman of the Rajya Sabha, Upper House. As per Article 64 of the Constitution, presides over the meetings of the Rajya Sabha, maintains order and decorum in the House, decides on points of order, has a casting vote in case of a tie, refers bills and motions to committees, like the Speaker in Lok Sabha, but not a member of Rajya Sabha himself, acts as President of India when needed. As per Article 65 of the Constitution, acts as the President of India when the President is absent, ill, resigns, dies, or is impeached, carries out all duties of the President until a new President is elected within 6 months, or the President resumes office. During this period, the Vice President does not perform duties of Rajya Sabha Chairman. Additional functions, ceremonial or delegated, represents India on various state functions, events, and delegations when asked, may deliver lectures, addresses, or speeches as a public figure. Role duty. Chairman of Rajya Sabha presides over and manages proceedings of Rajya Sabha. Acting President performs President's functions in case of vacancy or absence. National representation attends official events, ceremonies, or visits abroad. Removal, impeachment of the Vice President of India. The Vice President can be removed from office before the completion of the term under Article 67(b) of the Constitution, but this is not called impeachment, unlike the President. Procedure for removal. Initiation of resolution. A resolution for removal must be introduced in the Rajya Sabha. Notice period. The resolution must be signed by at least 14 Rajya Sabha members. A 14-day notice must be given before moving the resolution. Adoption of resolution. The Rajya Sabha must pass the resolution by a majority of all its members, i.e., absolute majority. Lok Sabha's role. The resolution is then sent to the Lok Sabha, which must agree to it by a simple majority, i.e., majority of members present and voting. Important points. No grounds like violation of Constitution are required, unlike in the President's case. No judicial process is involved. Only Parliament can remove the Vice President, not the President, judiciary, or public. When removed, once both houses pass the resolution, the Vice President must vacate office. Resignation of the Vice President of India. The Vice President may resign from office at any time. The resignation must be in writing, addressed to the President of India. Once accepted by the President, the office of the Vice President becomes vacant. Constitutional provision. Article 67(b) of the Indian Constitution. The Vice President may resign his office by writing under his hand addressed to the President. Important points. No approval by Parliament is required. There is no fixed format, but it must be a written letter. After resignation, the Chief Justice of India may act as President if both posts are vacant.